How to raise a purchase order request in Petpooja. Once you log in into your dashboard, this is the first screen that you will see. At the left side, click on Inventory. Now click on Purchase, then click on Purchase Order. At the top right corner, you have the option that says Create New. Just click on it. At the top, it says from supplier, restaurant, or kitchen. Kitchen is already selected and we have a drop down here. Under this drop down, we have our warehouse named mention. You need to select the name. Now, whatever the item you want, just select here, mention the quantity, and click on Save Changes. Now you can see record added successfully and the status of your request is saved.